Not all you have to draw. This is focus F. Focus F is producing seismic wave, P wave. Now this is the core. Please make the core. Make the core, means center of the earth. So what has been observed, the P wave is coming, interacting with the mantle core, boundary, undergo deviation. Arrows. बात को समझना. Started from another. This is which wave? Again P wave only. P wave diagram is coming, interact with this. It goes like this. It's like at the mantle core boundary. You can see what bending. Can you see the bending here? Now please understand this. It can pass through interior, but when it comes to the interface, it get reflected. It get what called reflect. It will be perpendicularly hitting. It can go under bending. This is a what refraction. This is what or reflection. The bending part. This is bending and this is reflection. So this angle, this will go like this directly. Then there's no problem. Arrows, please, here. So both the diagrams, this is very raw. Now actual purified diagram is this, later on. So now here, what you can see this angle, can you see this part? This angle, okay. So you cannot see what in this direction. Can you see this portion? Can the P wave directly observed? Any seismic station is here. Can you see the direct P wave? No. This is 103 degree and this is 140 degree, 45 grams per second, 145. So that means angle is like, please, APS center wala ho gaya. This angle is how much? Come on. How to find an angle? कोई भी पूछेगा नहीं, but for your understanding, the focus के ऊपर step रख दीजिए, and this line goes to what? AP center. Okay, focus and what? And this line is going towards this line. This angle is how much? 103. What this angle is? 145. So between 100 and this side also same way. 103, 145. Many people do not understand the shadow zone. Non scientifically देखते हो इसलिए नहीं समझ में आता है. So that means where P wave shadow zone you can write on P wave shadow zone that indicate the boundaries. Okay, P wave समझ में आया सभी को. Now come to the S wave. Does it make sense? So sometime in the textbook there is a little variation, 103, 104, 105, all values you can have. Do not worry. Different studies are different records. So 103 to 105 you can have any value in this. So here also a little bit 5-10 degrees. So 145, 142, 135 also given. Do not bother about this. Small change. So this value is from 103 to 105. This value is 145 to 135. Anything. Okay. Now come to the second S wave. P wave का हो गया. This darker region, I am shading this. This darker region is a shadow zone. Now coming to S wave.